Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the brushes and revising the clutch of your KitchenAid mixer. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have your new brushes and any necessary replacement parts ready. Begin by unplugging your KitchenAid mixer. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the mixer. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you will see the motor and the brushes. The brushes are typically located near the motor housing. Carefully remove the old brushes using your pliers. If they are stuck, gently wiggle them free, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Before installing the new brushes, take a moment to clean the area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure a smooth operation once everything is reassembled. Now install the new brushes by sliding them into place. Make sure they fit snugly and are aligned correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, we will move on to the clutch revision. Locate the clutch assembly, which is usually situated near the top of the mixer. You may need to remove additional screws to access this area. Again, keep all screws organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once you have access to the clutch, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's best to replace the clutch entirely. If everything looks good, clean the clutch mechanism with a soft cloth to remove any grease or grime. Reassemble the clutch by reversing the disassembly steps. Ensure that all components are securely fastened. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with a professional diagnosis without obligation if you encounter any issues. After reassembling the mixer, it's time to test it. Plug the mixer back in and run it on a low setting to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises that may indicate a problem. Finally, if you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you keep your KitchenAid mixer in top shape. With these steps, you should now have a fully operational mixer ready for all your baking needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.